Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe with friends. First, gather your friends and decide if you'll play together in the same room or online. You can connect up to 4 players on a single Nintendo Switch console, or up to 8 players across multiple consoles locally. Make sure everyone has a controller ready, whether it's a single Joy-Con held sideways or a Pro controller. It's super easy to get started and have a blast. For local multiplayer, you have a couple of great options. If everyone is in the same room but has their own Switch, select Wireless Play. Each console can support up to 2 players, allowing for 8 players total across 4 consoles. Alternatively, for a classic couch co-op experience, choose Local Play on one console to race with up to 4 friends on a single screen. You can customize your races with different items, laps, and vehicle classes for endless fun. To race with friends who aren't physically with you, dive into online play. You'll need a Nintendo Switch Online membership to access this feature. You can create a private room and invite up to 11 friends to join your custom races, or you can jump into worldwide matches. It's a fantastic way to connect and compete, no matter the distance. Just select Friends from the online menu to get started and challenge your pals. To truly enhance your Mario Kart experience, don't be afraid to experiment. Try out various characters and vehicle combinations to find your perfect setup. For newer players, enable smart steering and auto-accelerate to help them stay on track and enjoy the race. Also, remember to explore battle mode for a fun, competitive alternative to traditional racing. Practicing on different tracks will help you discover shortcuts and master your driving skills, making every race more exciting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.